Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about success and how to achieve it. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 habits of highly successful people that you need to adopt today. Number 1. They set goals. Successful people are always clear on what they want to achieve, and they set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. Number 2. They prioritize their time. Successful people understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they use it wisely. They prioritize their time by focusing on their most important tasks first and delegating or eliminating the rest. Number 3. They continuously learn. Successful people are lifelong learners. They read, take courses, attend workshops, and seek out mentors to continuously improve their skills and knowledge. Number 4. They take action. Successful people are not afraid to take action. They take calculated risks and are not afraid of failure. They know that failure is part of the process, and they use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Number 5. They stay positive. Successful people have a positive attitude even in the face of adversity. They focus on solutions rather than problems, and they surround themselves with positive people who inspire and motivate them. So, there you have it, the top 5 habits of highly successful people. Adopting these habits will help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. Good luck, my friends.